Hey everyone, it's Erin here again, and today we're making meatloaf in Brava. I am super excited to share this recipe with you guys because it's actually a family recipe. This recipe came from my grandmother who actually got it from her mother, so it's my great-grandmother's original meatloaf recipe. And what's special about the meatloaf recipe is it uses leftover mashed potatoes, and this is what makes it super moist and delicious. I actually updated the recipe to include instant mashed potatoes since I thought those were a bit easier to have as an ingredient on hand. But if you have leftover mashed potatoes around, please use those instead. Today we're going to be using our handy dandy loaf pan, and this is what's going to make it super easy to bake up our meatloaf in Brava. It's going to take just an hour, just under an hour to bake up in Brava. So let's get started here.